Hey, what's up everybody? Sam Parker here with My Credit Guy Credit Restoration. A problem that I run into all the time, or a misconception. Clients will call me and they'll say, hey Sam, I pulled my credit online and then I had my lender pull and I'm 100 points different. My lender's trying to put something over on me. So first of all, stop. That's not happening. There's no conspiracy theory here. Think about it like this. A lender only gets paid once they get you to the closing table and get you qualified for that home loan. So they definitely want your scores to be up as high as they possibly can. So no conspiracy there. What's happening is that there are different scoring models, even within the same company. So you've heard of FICO, right? That's like what most of the credit scores are. Well, FICO alone, and I even have to get out a cheat sheet. I've been doing this for 14 years. FICO alone has many different scoring models. So for instance, okay, most widely used, the ones that you're gonna pull online are usually FICO version 8, okay? The ones used in auto leasing, sometimes they use 8, sometimes they use 2, sometimes they use 5, sometimes they use 4. In getting a credit card, sometimes they use 8, 3, 2, 5, and 4, okay? In mortgage lending, 2, 5, and 4. Newly released versions, FICO 9. So you can see how this is kind of confusing. So you might pull from one website and it has, one credit scoring model, and then your lender is going to be pulling a different one. So basically you're playing by a different set of rules. So they're still taking all the same information. It's just that on one scoring algorithm or one scoring model, maybe they take your mortgage history and your past payments into account more than on another model. Or obviously in the auto world, maybe they're looking at your auto payments and they don't care as much about a credit card. You see what I'm saying? So it's a different set of rules, and then because of that, you're going to come out with a different outcome in terms of credit scores. So first and foremost, just understand your lender is not trying to pull anything over on you. It's just that they're working with a different scoring algorithm, but at the end of the day, the biggest purchase you're going to make, the end all be all, is that mortgage credit score. So we got to play by their rules. It doesn't matter what you pulled online from your free place or your credit monitoring place. What you got to do is look at those credit scores that are being generated by your lender and then follow suit according to that scoring model, okay? If you have any questions, give us a shout. You can reach me at 866-726-7339, or you can always go to our website for more information and more videos, and that's www.mycreditguy.com. Thanks.